Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Linguistics and Research Guideline. Thanks for your feedback. I always appreciate your vibes. It's a positive energy for me to work for you guys more and more. And I always try to improve myself. Well, stay safe and thank you. So, let's go. My topic is how creative writing is related to linguistics. I mean linguistics and creative writing. In order to produce a good text, poem, short story or dramatic scene or anything, the language needs to be correct and it needs to work. Creative writing requires greater precision in expression. There are really only four main types of writing. Number one, expository. Number two, descriptive. Number three, persuasive. And number four, and narrative. Each of these four writing genres has a distinct aim and they all require different types of writing skills. So, what is language? Characteristics of human language. Language is a social tool. Language must be learned. The relationship between the sounds of a language and their meaning is arbitrary. Language has rules. Language allows humans to be creative. Books. From Language to Creative Writing by Philip. Creative Writing in Foreign Language Teaching by Christian. What is language? Language is human and structurally complex, arbitrary, a system of communication, social, systematic, non-instinctive and conventional, productive and creative, vocal and verbal. How creative writing is related to linguistics. Language learning is helped by creative writing, for example, grammar, vocabulary, phonetics, and discourse. In many countries around the world, children start learning English as an additional language L2 at preschool level. And in order to develop competent bilingual skills, the schools need to provide effective educational programs that create the necessary conditions under which teaching and learning in the second language takes place. Creative writing and its influence in the generation of language skills. In the acquisition of language learning abilities, creative writing is an interesting field. The world's best fictions, articles, poems, plays, etc. are purely the essence of creative writing skills. Three things have to be given utmost importance for creative writers to be creative. Number one, imaginative skill. Number two, subjectivity. Number three, flair for writing. From language to creative writing includes genre, writing, accent, narrative, audience, identity, subtext, structure, register, dialect, diversity, speech and repetition, all includes in that process. Thank you. All the best and stay safe. Allah Hafiz.